I'll be showing you the top pop-up email subscription apps for your Shopify store. For each of these apps, we take a look at the features, pricing, and reviews of each app so you can decide what's the best fit for you. Let's dive right into our first one here. It's called Privy, and it's your all-in-one e-commerce platform to grow your sales with pop-ups, email, and SMS marketing. So along with email collection pop-ups, it has an easy-to-use drag-and-drop email editor, pop-ups to grow your SMS lists as well as your email. We can see the spin-to-wheel pop-up for email collection here. And you can hit the ground running with tons of different automations, such as abandoned cart email follow-up sequences and purchase follow-up sequences. It has a powerful Shopify integration, so you can pull products directly into your Privy emails. In terms of pricing, the basic convert plan is going to start at $12 per month, and it's going to go up to $45 per month, depending on your number of email contacts. And there is a 15-day free trial on the paid plans. In terms of reviews, it has over 24,000 reviews with 19,000 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the summary, merchants appreciate this app for its ability to create effective email and SMS campaigns with features like pop-up displays and smart segments, and it's going to integrate seamlessly with Shopify. The next app we're taking a look at is called Econ, send pop-ups as well as email pop-ups. This is going to allow you to get more subscribers, letting you easily create opt-in or exit intent pop-ups with discounts to optimize your marketing efforts. It's also going to make it easy to create these pop-ups to get a high conversion rate, and you can style these pop-ups to match your brand as they are fully customizable with a drag and drop editor. This is going to allow you to convert more sales with custom discount codes, and it has seamless integration with other apps such as Privy, Shopify Email, and MailChimp. This app is also completely free as well. In terms of reviews, sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 7.2 thousand 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the AI summary, merchants recommend this app for its lead generation and conversion boosting features. It offers customizable email pop-ups, opt-in pop-ups, and spin the wheel games. All praised for their user-friendly interface as well as their easy setup. Next up, we have GSC pop-up as well as email automation, making it super easy to create pop-ups to collect email subscribers and generate more leads. You can send beautiful emails to promote special deals, sales, or events. You can also run workflows triggered by cart abandonments, orders, as well as signups. You can offer coupons, promote sales, and products with pop-ups. You can also craft gorgeous emails with their simple editor. This is all going to allow you to drive sales with different types of pop-ups, from the newsletter pop-up to the discount pop-up, and then follow that up with email automation. In terms of pricing, it's going to start at $9 a month. We're going to get 20,000 monthly pop-up views. $19 a month, you get 100,000 monthly pop-up views, as well as automations and an all-around store integration. And at $29 a month, you're going to get unlimited widget views. And all the paid plans have a 14-day free trial. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 36 5-star reviews, with the latest review here saying it's a nice app with nice support. Lastly, we have OneClick pop-ups and email pop-ups, so you can build your subscriber list and sell more, all with just a few clicks. They have an easy-to-use editor that makes it really easy to style your pop-ups, from customizing images, styles, and content in just minutes. You can segment your audience and send targeted campaigns off that list as well, letting you add tags to your customers to know what they want so you can personalize your email marketing. It's going to integrate with any email marketing app in the Shopify App Store, such as MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and Klaviyo. Overall, there are also 30 plus pop-up templates, an exit intent trigger, and many more features. In terms of pricing, there is a completely free plan with 1,000 impressions per month, and it's going to go up in price depending on the number of impressions. At 10K, it's $4.99, and at 40K, it's $14.99. It has a perfect 5-star rating with 190 5-star reviews. Merchants appreciate this app for its easy setup, robust functionality, and seamless Shopify integration. They value the customization options, including the unique discount codes, which boost sales as well as customer retention. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor ProfitCal comes in. The OneClick profit calculator are available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations so you can truly understand your store's performance. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, along with many cost of goods sold options and all transaction fee gateways. You're going to get tons of different details and analytics as well as metrics so you can make smarter business decisions. There's a free 15-day trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. There's a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing directly. You can also search for it in the Shopify App Store by searching ProfitCal and then looking for this logo in the top left here. This is going to conclude the video here on the top pop-up subscription email apps. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, and if this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.